this is a pay-as-you-go airdrop mining machine. Now you might ask me, what do you mean by pay-as-you-go mining airdrop machine? Now this airdrop is all about mining. And now as you mine, there's nothing like launch date. I don't know if there's launch date here or listing date, but this one now has to do with mining. And I'm not sure there's anything like launch date or listing date, because as you mine, you are going to get paid immediately. That is what this airdrop is all about, or it implies. It doesn't do with anything. Maybe we are going to launch soon. Moreover, the tokens that are involved here are tokens that are well known. The first one is Tron, TRX, and then the second one is Shiba Inu. Okay, so we are going to dive deeper into this video on how you can mine Tron or Shiba Inu, and then how you can also withdraw just with this mining machine and this airdrop. Okay, so if you are here for the first time, my name remains Consolo Nyekure, and right here on this channel we share tips and updates on how to make money online, and also airdrops and crypto stuffs. So if you like such content, we really encourage that you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also turn on the notification so that you're not going to miss out on our updates. You can also join our social handles via the links on the description section of this video. That's WhatsApp and Telegram. And then it is highly recommended that you give this video a like. Please make sure you give this video a like. Don't just watch this video and walk away, because YouTube is going to recommend this video to more people that needs this video just as you needed it by you giving it a like. Okay, so this is actually an airdrop that pays you immediately for your mining. Mind you, I must always say this: any airdrop or any of these projects that demands money from you, it is likely that it is a scam. But still, not all of them are scams. Not all of them that will demand money is a scam. So if you feel that you want to take the risk, then you can also impute, or you can install your money so that you can increase your mining machine or something like that. So this platform now is Tronix app. If you want to register now, you can check the description section of this video. You can register right now and start mining Tron. Start mining Tron. People have been cashing out from it. It's not a scam. It's not like it's a scam. So what do you need now? What does it imply now? What do you need in order for you to withdraw on this program? All you need is 20 Trons. Just you can click it right here. You can see Tron balance. I am presently having 2.17 Tron. So if you click on send now, you are going to see what it says here. Enter your personal TRX address. This amount will be sent to your to the TRC20 compatible wallet address. Minimum send amount is 20 TRX. Okay, so you can just head over to your wallet and then copy your TRX address, not USDT TRX network, but rather TRX itself. And after copying it, you come right over to this place and impute it here. You put in your address and put in the amount. Then the network fee here is 2.5 TRX. That's what they are going to charge for sending it. Okay. And then if you want to withdraw using Shiba Inu, the minimum to withdraw is 300,000 SHIB. 300,000 SHIB. But after registration, you know all these tasks that you are going to do on the missions section. So after completing those tasks, you are going to be having some SHIB as bonus. So after you are having those SHIB as bonus, now all you just have to start doing is to start mining right over here. Just click on this place and you start mining. It starts mining for you instantly. Once it is up to what you need, you can just click on claim right here, and after you click on claim, you can then start it will then be sent right to this place and you can withdraw it. So it is very simple and it is very easy. Then if you also want to boost, just as I told you, if you want to take the risk, because not all of this might turn out to be good, that's why I won't even advise you to take the risk. But if you feel you want to increase your mining machine, since you have seen it is working right now, because it might be working now but at the next minute it might not work again. But if you feel you want to increase it, still fine with you. So or if you want to increase it, you just click on this boost, and then they are going to give you an address where you are going to send some portion of token. Maybe you are going to send USDT. I don't want to dive into that because it's going to make this video too long. Then after sending it, you can upgrade this your machine, and after upgrading this your machine, it will start mining faster for you. But that's just by the way, if you want to. That's if you want to. But if you feel you don't want to do, or you don't want to take this risk, then just keep mining gradually, jejely. You are still going to get to where you want to get to. Okay, and then you are still going to be able to withdraw. So this is all about this Tronix app. If you haven't heard about it, you can join right now and you can start making your cool cash. It's very simple and it's very easy. So guys, I'll have to end this video right here and right now. Make sure you give this video a like. It's very important, and keep giving this video like anytime you see this video till it gets to 1,000 likes. Keep giving it a like, because we are going to appreciate it a lot and it is going to be recommended to more people. Thank you and see you in my next video.